Tired of spending way too much time chopping, slicing, and dicing in the kitchen? Well, meet your new best friend, the adjustable Mandoline slicer, designed to actually save you time and give you the perfect cuts every single time. So I'm going to talk a little bit about this video while I'm sitting here doing the unboxing, showing you everything that comes inside this box here. So just for starters, this isn't just any slicer. It's got an adjustable blade system. You can effortlessly slice everything from thin cucumber rounds for salads to thick potato slices for homemade chips. The dial actually makes it incredibly easy to swap between slicing, dicing, and even julienne cutting modes. They even give you gloves that are cut resistant. So whether you're prepping onions for a stir fry, carrots for a soup, or tomatoes for a fresh sauce, this slicer can handle it all with precision. Don't worry about the mess. The stainless steel construction isn't just durable, it's also dishwasher safe. That means cleanup is just as easy as the prep. Simply pop it in the dishwasher and you are done. Just be careful, that blade is razor sharp though. That's why the slicer comes with a pair of cut-resistant gloves. They're designed to keep your hands protected while you slice so you can focus on cooking instead of worrying about accidents. Think of the time you'll save with the versatile kitchen tool. Instead of juggling knives and cutting boards, you'll have one sleek, reliable slicer that can handle all your favorite fruits and vegetables, potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, onions, and so much more. So whether you're a busy parent, a home chef who loves to experiment like I do, or just somebody who wants cooking to be easier, the adjustable Mandoline slicer is here to transform the way you prep your meals. Make cooking faster, cleaner, and safer with results that look like they came straight out of the professional kitchen. So why struggle with uneven cuts and endless chopping? Upgrade your kitchen today with the adjustable Mandoline slicer. This tool that slices your prep time in half and makes every dish look like a masterpiece. So please be sure to click on the link that's attached to this video because I'm telling you right now, you will not be disappointed. I don't give a lot of 5-star reviews, but I tell you, this thing works just as good. I remember watching the cooks on MasterChef with Chef Ramsay using several of these things.